Google Calendar. So what is it? You can easily book meetings and events, as well as receive reminders about forthcoming activities, using Google Calendar. Calendar is made for groups, so it's simple to share your schedule with others and create numerous calendars for you and your colleagues to use. 1. Schedule events. Schedule one-time events like conferences as well as recurrent events like staff meetings. With a simple click from the event invitation, let everyone know if you'll be there. 2. React to and handle situations to let folks know if you'll be attending an event. Respond to invites with an RSVP. Make a note or suggest rescheduling an event. 3. Make a calendar reminder. Add a customized reminder to your to-do list to help you remember it. 4. Calendars may be shared and viewed. Coworkers, family, and friends may simply know when you're available by sharing your calendar. You can accomplish the same thing by looking at other people's calendars. 5. Personalize your calendar. Now that you know how to utilize all of Calendar's primary functions, you may further personalize it to fit your working style. 6. Obtain access to your tasks and notes. Organize your notes and projects without having to leave Calendar. Note: if the Google Keep and Google Tasks icons aren't shown on the right, they aren't enabled for your company.